Hi, I'm Aiman, and welcome back to one of the auto repair videos. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reassemble the front strut assembly on a Honda Civic. Well, I guess it could apply to most cars, but in this case it's a Honda Civic. In case you need to replace the strut, the spring, the boot, or the bearing. So it's a very simple job. As you can see, we've already assembled our new mount. We have this new bearing on it. The old one was broken as heck. And we've already put this new boot on it. It's very simple. All I have to do is take your top mount and the bearing and put them together. And it's going to click into place. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take the boot from the old one and put it in. So we'll take it out. Let's see. I think you'll have to get like a pry bar to pull it out. Or just angle it. And then angle it into here. And push it in. Okay? Very simple. Very chill. And there we go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our spring that we took out. Or take your new spring. Make sure it has the compressors on it. And we're going to put it back on. Okay, so in this case, we know how it's oriented because we took it out this way. But if you don't know how it's oriented, then it has this bottom piece that's going to line up at the bottom there, just like this. Okay. And it will seat just like that. It should be pretty snug of a fit. Now then, while it's like this, I'm gonna keep my head away from the top of it just to be safe. We're gonna take our boot and we're going to install it. So the spring goes through this hole right here. So we'll loop it through. And then you see this notch here? We'll rotate the spring around it. Okay, so it's caught. And now we'll fully seat it by sticking it through that hole. And make sure that when you screw this in, it goes all the way to this piece where it says R on it. It stops right there. You can put the boot down now. We don't need it to be exposed to tighten it because it's going to be the spring's going to be expanded by then. But I guess I will just to show. So we're going to wiggle it on, and we're trying to get it caught onto this lip right here. If it's too much trouble, then I'll skip this step. But it's not too much trouble. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take our mount, and I want to line it up with my markings. Huh. I guess we didn't make a marking down here. That's okay. I'm going to line up with these ones. You can see I made the marking here, though. This little red piece. I'm going to fix it on. I can't really look at it from the top, but I'll try my best to position it. Okay. And now I'm going to line it up right here. Okay, I don't want to push down on it because that'll mess up this whole compression setup. But now what we're going to do is take our old flange nut and we're going to put it on and tighten it. Oh, and my hands are too greasy to really tighten it. Okay. Oh wait, it's gonna go this way. Okay, it does go down further. I'm not going to go down too tightly. Just enough that it stops and it's secure. Okay, so now at this point, I'll take this out. And then I'll put the boot back on. And then we'll compress the spring. Whew. Okay, so you can see that we actually tightened the top knot a bit more, just to be even more safe, more sure. Now we're going to extend the spring out, and we're going to torque that top bolt when it's in the car. So after this is done, after we're done extending the spring, then we can put it back in. You want it slow and steady and incrementally, and keep your head away from it. I'm just gonna use the, I can't take it. It's so slow. Okay, that one's pretty loose, so I'm going to stop on that one. Okay, that one's loose too. This one is the one I'd be concerned about, just because it is the one that's bringing the furthest ones closest together. And there we go. I know everything is loose now, but I'll just continue being incremental just to be safe. And once these are all loose, then you'll know that it's ready to be put back in. Whew. So it looks like we didn't lose our life today. Fingers crossed. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to, I hope I didn't just jinx myself by saying that. We're going to loosen all of these compressors and take them out. Oh wait, I guess that's it for this video on how to assemble the strut assembly. So let me just finish up here, and we'll close. Okay. Okay, so I'm Aiman. Today I showed you how to assemble the front strut assembly for your suspension. And this applies to any car, and in this case we're doing it for a Honda Civic. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, let me know down below. The last step is to put this back into the car and then torque this top bolt. That is an important step of this process if you're reinstalling it. But if you want to reinstall it, check out my other video on how to install it. But that's going to be it for this video. I'm Aiman. Thanks for watching. And check out my other videos. Like, rate, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. For now, I'm signing out. Peace.